Mighty VS7 SB105 synthetic power steering clean and protect kit. Folks, this kit contains two components to it. First is a synthetic power steering cleaner, and then back behind it is a synthetic protectant that is also a conditioner.
That's right, there's some excellent features and benefits to these products, Mike. Now, the cleaner, right, is going to go in there and it's going to clean out any corrosion, scale that may be in the system. When you use it with any power steering fluid exchange system, it's going to cycle through the system, tidy up any corrosion, instability inside of there, exchange that fluid out, replace it with new fluid, and this protectant that goes in. Now, this protectant is going to fight against corrosion. It's also that it's a synthetic. It's going to work with the CHF Plus systems as well, Mike.
Matt, this product is compatible with all power steering systems as well as exchange equipment. It also lubricates and protects the seals, the pump vanes, as well as the power steering rack. Matt, for a complete exchange service of power steering, this is definitely a must-do.